Now my trilliums at home are not quite out at the moment. This must be a little bit of a warmer spot for them. This is Trillium chloropetalum. Trillium, 3 leaves, 3 sepals here where my thumb is, 3 petals in the centre. Trillium. It's also got lovely painted foliage to it. Now this is now becoming quite a rare plant. It didn't used to be some years ago. It used to be widely available. Each of the leaves have this wonderful pattern, some better than others. But it is a stunning plant, growing in the shade. Really get them established at the base of a root, some shrub, where it gets some summer shade. I'm going to show you a few more here. And then I want to walk over to where the gardeners are and show you some that are really better established. So there, the bottom of the stems, and look how they're establishing. There's the name, Trillium chloropetalum. I'm really pleased that this is in flower because I wanted to show you this. This is the purple toothwort. Strange looking thing, it's a parasite. It's actually attached itself to the base of the roots. In this case, it's attached to the base of a viburnum. Don't know if you can see it growing right in at the roots there, the back, where it produces these strange looking flowers at this time of year, right at the bottom of the floor. Now there's a large clump that seems to be growing over there. Get closer and show you this one. The purple toothwort. Isn't it brilliant? So like I say, it's a parasite, it's on the roots, usually silver birch or on the bottom of oak tree roots as well. I've seen the seeds for sale, I've bought the seeds, I've parted with good money on more than one occasion and sprinkled it at the base of various roots, but it's never come to anything. So you'll see these seeds available on social media, but for whatever reason it hasn't worked for me. But here it's growing lovely. Fabulous thing. This is an alder, Alnus, and it is one that I really want to show you during the summer months because the leaf is bigger than a man's hand. It is an absolutely enormous leaf. But at the moment it's in full flower. These are the male catkins that hang down. And again you can see how huge the male catkins are. A really stunning plant in the summertime and a real stunning plant here in March. Now this, did I say that it was maximowiczii? It is Alnus maximowiczii. Now the little red parts on the top here, these are the female flowers that will turn into these cones in the summertime to produce the seeds, and these are the male pollen. It's not, I think the pollen's already gone because nobody touched them and they, oh there we go, look all on my hands, pollen, the male pollen. Really fascinating but incredibly rare plant. I've propagated a few over the years when people have given me seeds, but I haven't got one established in the nursery, unfortunately. That's something I wish I had kept a few plants back for myself. Absolutely stunning. Now here you can see smaller catkins. This again is an alder, and we know from just talking about it that the hazels are different. The alders have these cones, black cones here and here, and the alders don't possess any of these cones at all. Well, this is sieboldiana. Now there's a debate on whether sieboldiana is an independent species or whether it is a subspecies of firma. Is this firma or is this sieboldiana? The experts are still debating it, but sieboldiana has shorter but very early catkins, so these actually start coming out the end of January and into February, so by March their pollen is all finished now, but still a month later it's still looking like a very useful shrub. Rarely seen and rarely propagated. It really is a terrific plant, and when I show you the leaves in the summertime, they're deeply veined, very, very attractive leaves. Stunning plant, alder sieboldiana. Another one with catkins on here, this is the Corylus, this is the Hazel. The difference between the two, I mean these are much smaller male catkins in size, but the biggest difference is when you look at the tree, it doesn't have those black cones on it, which alder has those black cones. They both have the catkins at the same time and can be confusing from a distance, but the alders always have those black cones scattered about the whole of the tree. And this is a wild collected form with extra long catkins and probably a hybrid of some sort. But it is a beautiful, beautiful tree at this time of year. This is Corylus, the Hazel. So this is a very rarely seen cherry. Absolutely stunning. If I can close up on it. Packed full of flower buds. This is Prunus taesimensis. I'll show you some close-up of the flowers. Very rarely seen this particular type of cherry. It's extremely early, extremely hardy. It has the most beautiful pinkish white flowers. I've got two forms at the nursery. One is identical to this with these pinky red calyxes and sepals at the back of the flowers, and also pink on the inside, and I've also got the white albino form of it as well. There we are, absolutely stunning. In bud, with those lovely rosy red calyxes and sepals. Beautiful. I'll show you the label. Prunus taesimensis.